Are your localized VST audio processing logic apps crashing due to the You-Wa-Shock audio effect DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we dive into the You-Wa-Shock audio effect manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the You-Wa-Shock audio effect, the core library for the You-Wa-Shock saturation VST plugin, a cult favorite among Japanese music producers. It manages the real-time harmonic distortion algorithms. If missing, the DAW will report plugin not found, and audio projects using this effect will load with silent or dry vocal tracks. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Since You-Wa-Shock audio effect DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized VST/audio processing logic toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application, where you receive the error, is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the You-Wa-Shock audio effect component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Replacing You-Wa-Shock audio effect without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing You-Wa-Shock audio effect. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved You-Wa-Shock audio effect workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.